Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to block email on Temu. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Chrome browser because there is no option to block email on Temu app. So you need to go to browser and search for temu.com. It will open up official website of Temu. Once you open up it, go to the profile icon as shown here, and now tap on notification. Before that you need to verify and then tap on notification. Now here you need to turn off email, so for that tap on edit button as shown here and turn off it. In this way you need to turn off individually. So this is how you can block email on Temu. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.